Welcome to the Canary Islands, Spain's paradise in the Atlantic Ocean. This volcanic archipelago is famous for its breathtaking landscapes, beautiful beaches, year-round sunshine, and diverse outdoor adventures. Whether you're a nature lover, a thrill seeker, or just looking for a relaxing getaway, the Canary Islands have something for everyone. Today, we're exploring the top 10 things to do in the Canary Islands. Let's dive in. Number 10. Watch the stars at Roque de los Muchachos Observatory, La Palma. La Palma is known as the Starlight Reserve of Europe. Visit Roque de los Muchachos Observatory, one of the best places in the world for stargazing. With clear skies and no light pollution, you can see thousands of stars, planets, and even distant galaxies. It's a magical way to end your Canary Islands adventure. Number 9. Try local Canarian cuisine. Papas arrogadas and mojo sauce. Foodies, get ready. The Canary Islands have some delicious traditional dishes. You must try papas arrogadas, small potatoes boiled in salt water and served with mojo sauce, a flavorful mix of garlic, olive oil, peppers, and spices. Pair it with fresh seafood and a glass of local Malvasia wine for the perfect meal. Number 8. Visit the Cueva de los Verdes lava caves, Lanzarote. Cueva de los Verdes is a spectacular lava cave in Lanzarote that was formed over 3,000 years ago. Explore its mystical tunnels and underground lake, and hear the fascinating secret hidden inside, but I won't spoil it for you. You have to visit to find out. Number 7. Hike in Garajonay National Park, La Gomera. If you love hiking and nature, Garajonay National Park in La Gomera is a must-visit. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to ancient laurel forests, hidden waterfalls, and breathtaking viewpoints. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. Segment 6. Explore the Charco Azul Natural Pools, La Palma. La Palma is home to some of the most beautiful natural pools in the Canary Islands. Charco Azul is a series of volcanic rock pools with crystal clear blue water, perfect for a refreshing swim. It's a hidden paradise where you can enjoy nature at its best. Number 5. Go dolphin and whale watching, Tenerife and La Gomera. The Canary Islands are one of the best places in the world to see whales and dolphins in the wild. Join a boat tour from Tenerife or La Gomera to spot pilot whales, bottlenose dolphins, and even humpback whales. Seeing these incredible creatures in their natural habitat is an unforgettable experience. Number 4. Discover Maspalomas Sand Dunes, Gran Canaria. The Maspalomas Sand Dunes are a mini-Sahara stretching along the coastline. You can walk across the dunes, ride camels, and enjoy a breathtaking sunset over the sand. It's an absolute must-visit. Number 3. Visit Timanfaya National Park, Lanzarote. Timanfaya National Park in Lanzarote feels like stepping onto another planet. This surreal landscape was shaped by volcanic eruptions in the 18th century. Take a guided tour through the lava fields, watch geysers shoot steam from underground, and even enjoy a meal cooked using the volcano's natural heat at El Diablo restaurant. Number 2. Relax on Playa de los Teresitas, Tenerife. Playa de los Teresitas is one of the most beautiful beaches in the Canary Islands. Unlike Tenerife's natural black sand beaches, this one has golden sand from the Sahara Desert. Relax under palm trees, swim in calm waters, or enjoy fresh seafood at a beachside restaurant. Number 1. Explore Mount Teide and Teide National Park, Tenerife. Mount Teide, the highest peak in Spain. At 3,718 meters, 12,198 feet, it dominates Teide National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with Mars-like landscapes, lava fields, and breathtaking views. Take the cable car to the summit or hike up for an unforgettable sunrise. From volcanic landscapes to golden beaches, hiking adventures, and incredible food, the Canary Islands are truly one of the most diverse and beautiful destinations in Spain. Which of these activities would you love to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this amazing journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more epic travel guides. Until next time, happy exploring!